Well, today let's talk a little bit about planer boards. If you're familiar with planer boards, you can go ahead and skip this material, but if you are new to kayak fishing and planer boards, these are very useful and pretty much essential on big water. So what this allows you to do is you'll clip the front clip on to your line. You'll take the trailing end of your line, the one that's going off to your lure, and this brand has a clip with a little pin in it. You'll want to get your line behind that pin. You can adjust the tension by pushing that spring forward or backward. Backward relieves the tension a little bit. So if your planer board's releasing too much, slide it forward. But what it does is you can go ahead and, before you hook it up, put out 20, 30, 40 feet or more of line. Hook up your planer board, and when the fish hits, the pin will keep the planer board from leaving your line altogether, but it will release from the front clip, and then it will trail behind. You can reel it in nice and easy. It just floats on the surface. To change a lure, it'd be very similar to a fish hitting. You just give your rod a little jerk. Go ahead and reel it in. Leave about a rod length of line. Now if you're fighting a fish, don't forget you have pedals. Go ahead and speed up if the fish is behind you. Go ahead and give that line a good pinch, or the clip a good pinch, and you will release it from your line. There we go. Front clips in, back clips in, got a little slack. You may note that there's a right or a left planer board. You'll need a right and a left if you want to fish both sides of your kayak. Plop it in the water, make sure that your line isn't wrapped around your tip, and just let out as much line as you want that planer board to drift away. When you're satisfied, go ahead and set up your rod, make sure your drag's set, and you're good to go.